Student, today we will study about the problem to find the sum of given number of term of an AP. AP term ਦਾ ਆਪਾਂ sum ਕੱਢਣ ਲਈ sum of series find out ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਕੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਉਹ ਅੱਜ ਆਪਾਂ ਸਟੱਡੀ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ. So sum of first n term of AP. First of all, there are two formulas of finding sum. So first one is Sn is equal to n over 2 bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This formula is used when the common difference and the first term and n, these are given. And this second formula Sn is equal to n over 2 into a plus l. This formula is used when last term is given, l is last term. So remember this, from this formula, from these two formula, we have to use according to the given statement, we have to use these formula. So now we see how we apply these formula in the problem. So we see the sum number first, 2, 7, 12 dash 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 to 10 term. Find the sum of series. So statement क्या है? Find the sum of series. So here first of all we find a1, that is a is equal to 2. Next common difference d, second term minus first term. Now n is also given, n is equal to 10. So as I told the two formula, from that in this case we used first one, Sn is equal to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We are using this formula because all other things are given, a is also given, n is also given, and d we can find from this by subtracting second term from the first term. So put the values. S10 is equal to 10 over 2 into 2, a is 2 plus n is 10, d is 5. So after simplification we get 4 plus 9 multiply 5, 5, 4 plus 45, 5 into 49. After multiply we get 245. So sum of series S10 is equal to 245. Like this you can do remaining sum. Now we take second problem. Find the sum given below, 25 plus 28 plus 31 so on plus 100. So look the statement carefully. In this we have given last term. So we used here second formula. So first of all we will find a1, a is equal to 25. Next common difference, that is a2 minus a1. 28 minus 25 is equal to 3. So now here we have given last term, L is equal to 100. Now write the formula. We now that Sn is equal to n over 2 into a plus l. So we have see Sn is equal to n over 2 into a plus l. So here a is given, l is given, but n is not given. So first of all we have to find n. So first we find n. Again we write the formula. We know that an is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So an is 100, a is 25 plus n minus 1 into d. D is 3. Here an is last term, that is equal to L, that is equal to 100. So 100 is equal to 25 plus 3n minus 3. We get 100 is equal to 22 plus 3n, and 3n is equal to 100 minus 22. We get 2, 7, 78, 3n. So n is equal to 78 over 3. After simplify we get 26. So now we can put the values here and we can find sum. So do it here somewhere. So as n is 26. So Sn is equal to n over 2 into A is 25 plus L is 100. So S26 we get 13 into 125, 1625. So S26 is equal to 1625. So like this you can solve other sum also. So see here, in this problem we using two formulas. Number one we have find An, and second one how to find Sn. So if n is not given and last term is given, we can use this formula, because An is equal to L. By putting here the value of last term, we can find the value of n easily. So like this you can solve remaining sum. So see the next problem. In an AP, if A is given, D is given and n is given, how to find n and Sn? So solve. First of all write A is equal to 5, D is equal to 3 and Sn is equal to 50. These things are given. Now what have to find? We have to find n and Sn. So see student, these things you have to write in your answer sheet. If you are not able to solve this problem, even then you can get 1 or 2 marks from this, because whatever is given and what has to be find you have mentioned here. So please note, you have to write all these things, whatever is given and what is to be find. So now we find first n. So we apply this formula, An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An is 50, A is 5, n we don't know, and D is 3. So 50 is equal to 5 plus 3n minus 3. 50 is equal to 2 plus 3n. 50 minus 2 is equal to 3n. 48 is equal to 3n. Therefore n is equal to 48 over 3, that is 16. We get the value of n. Now we can find Sn. So Sn is equal to n over 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So n is 16, 16 over 2 into 2, a is 5, a is 5 plus n is 16 and d is 3. So we get 16 over 2 into 10 plus 15 multiply 3. We get 8 into 10 plus 45. We get 8 multiply 55. We get 440 as 16. So like this you can solve the sum. When n and Sn both have to be find out.